It's time for strength, it's time for fun, and it's time for unity with Abingdon Press's new 2018 Bible and Arts program, 24/7, Jesus Makes a Way Every Day. Perfect for Vacation Bible School. Abingdon Press does it again with a Bible and Arts program that is sure to excite all who participate, teach about God's love and justice, and unite the community of all ages through music, videos, crafts, games, and more. The theme scripture is John 10:10. I came that they may have life and have it abundantly.
Let's do it. 24/7. 24/7. 24/7. 24/7.
The lessons are building a home. Give me some bread. Come again? Dressed by God. How many times? 24/7 Jesus Makes a Way Every Day will teach participants to build a firm foundation by prayer, the Bible, and God's abundant love.